Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add record type in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to go to setup, and from here we click on setup, and basically we need just to search for the record type. So we just type record type, and from here we can create our own groups or the record types. From there you can have some record types or some template for a record type, and then you will need just to add all the modification, and then you will need just to save and click next, etc. Otherwise you can just go to the object manager and create a record type for specific objects. So for example, we can choose account, and from there we will find the record types. So basically, as we can see, there are no record types to display for this objects, and we need just to click on new. And basically, it will take us to the first layer or the first panel. So from here, we are going to uh, change from master, and here we add my record, for example, my record, and it will give it a record type name. You can give it a description, you can make it active, etc. And from here you will need just to choose a record type that is enabled, and basically I'm just going to click on next, and from here you can choose your profile that you want to add. Here you can find your page layouts that you can change from the page layouts, and you can apply it to different layouts for each profile in your application or in your Salesforce. After that, you can save and click on new. And basically now we have created a new record type for our uh, objects manager or our objects account. So basically this is how you can create record type. Thank you for watching and see you next time.